So I upgraded to the Apple Watch Series 8 about 3 months ago, and it took me a few weeks to dial in the perfect settings to make the watch work even better. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my 7 favorite watch setting changes if you have a new Apple Watch or if you're looking to get the most out of your current one. Timestamps are in the description below, but let's get started with changing the way the dock works. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna reprogram this button here on the side, and this is literally called the side button. So by default, when you press this button here, it just shows you your recent apps. And I've changed the settings on this, so it shows me my favorites. So there are 2 advantages of programming this button here to go to your favorites. The first reason is if you're like me, you use your watch faces specifically for different activities. So this is my fitness watch face. I have a work watch face, and the idea is sometimes you just don't have that app in front of you and you want to go to it quickly. A perfect example is iMessages. I like having iMessages as my 3rd favorite app here, and I don't even like having it as a complication on my watch face because I don't want to see the complication and see all the unread messages I have. So I think it's a nicer way to get to apps without having it as a complication. So it's really simple to make this change. You'll just go into your watch settings app, you'll go to dock, and you'll go from recents to favorites, and this will show you all your favorites, and you can program it by going to edit, and you can arrange them in different order. You can add different ones, so you take out sleep here, you can add activity, and you can arrange them any way you would like. And this just makes it so much more convenient to get to the apps that you use most often. The second thing you want to do is you want to change the way apps are displayed when you press the crown. By default, you get a grid view of all your different apps, and sometimes you just don't know what these icons are. So if you hold down, you could change this into list view. And this shows you all of your apps in alphabetical order, and you have all the different names. So just much easier to find the app you're looking for this way. The third setting you want to change is the way the noise app notifies you. By default, I think it's like 95 decibels is when it notifies you that you're in a very loud environment, and that's fine. But the problem is that, I don't know about other people, but when I'm in the shower, this app notifies me that it's too loud, and that's a problem. So the way to solve this is actually change the threshold where it's going to notify you of how loud it is. So what you'll do is you'll go into the noise app in your watch settings, and you'll want to go to noise threshold and change the default from 95 decibels to 100 decibels. And this will have a dramatic change to how many notifications you get. I used to get so many in the shower, and I don't get any more once I made this change. Number 4 is to set up Apple Pay on your watch. I know it takes a little bit of extra effort, but it's totally worth it. It's a much better experience than using it on your phone. All you do is you double tap this side button here, and it gets to your different cards. You find the card you want, and then you just scan. And that's it, and it has a nice little vibration. It's really, really elegant, and I think it's one of the best features on the Apple Watch, and everyone should be using it. And if you're in a metropolitan city where you have transit, you can set up express transit where you don't even need to press any buttons. You just get close to the reader and it scans it. Okay, number 5 is personalizing the control center for your watch. When you swipe up, you get to control center, and you can arrange these different icons the way you would like them. And all you do is simply go down, hit edit here, and everything will start jiggling, and you can move these icons and dragging them with your finger. I like having the pinging my phone because I'm always losing my phone in my couch or I don't know where it's at. Love having that at the very top. I also like having do not disturb at the top, and Wi-Fi, and my battery percentage. Okay, number 6 is turning off all sounds on your watch. You want to make sure this icon is always in red and you're not getting any noises or alerts coming from your watch. Let the haptic feedback and the vibrations notify you of any different notifications and alerts. Number 7 is to change watch faces based on different times of day. And I like setting this up with focus modes. And what you'll do is you'll go to the settings app on your phone. You can go into focus modes. And let's say we go to work focus mode. We can go down and we can edit the watch face, and we can select the watch face based on that focus mode. If you found this video valuable, consider hitting the like button. It helps me out and exposes the video to others. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about focus modes and how I use it for my watch as well as my iPhone, check out this video.